gloomy and cloudy out. Temperature right now of 48 degrees in Little Rock. The wind chill down to about 45. Not that bad. Out of the north and west, that's where our winds are coming from at about 7 miles per hour. The higher the wind gusts, the lower the wind chill comes down, but we're not seeing a big difference this morning. 48, like I said, the temperature, that's not very cold for December standards, and it's cloudy. And so what happens is that overnight heat is released from the surface. It goes up, and because of the clouds, it doesn't allow it to release all the way into the upper layers of the atmosphere, so the heat gets trapped back down, but it does cool slightly enough for us to make it down to the dew point. So that's why we've had fog developing this morning. Not only that, but also the mist, and that's why we're seeing limited visibility in some locations, especially White County, down to less than 2 miles of visibility. A perfect 10, that's where you want to be in Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and in Mena, down to 5 in Little Rock, Hot Springs, and in Pine Bluff. We are seeing the cloud cover still spanning across the entire state. A closer look here across southwest Arkansas, because that's where we're seeing the bulk of the rain now that the heavy rain has pushed east of here. We're going to continue to see this moving towards the east. Gurdon could see some of that rain at around 7:17 this morning. It's moving very slowly, but it is going to be that light rain, not seeing anything severe. That low that helped bring in the moisture still well off towards our south, and a front coming in. So this cold front, once it interacts with some of that moisture, it's going to ramp up our rain chances, especially along our eastern counties. So watch what happens here. This is Thursday, 6:30 in the morning. Just seeing the light rain across central Arkansas. This will continue to push east, and when it does, like I said, ramps up our rain chances, especially along our eastern counties right around the mid-afternoon, 3, 4 in the afternoon. Again, not anticipating any severe weather, not anticipating the heavy rainfall either. The dry air then filters in as Thursday night progresses, and it's also going to be super windy. We have high pressure that's going to settle in, and it's strong. So it's going to really ramp up our winds for Thursday afternoon. So if you have any Christmas decor out, be sure it's tied down, because it is going to be on the windy side. We eventually see all of this push out of the area just in time to enjoy your Friday. Like I said, not a whole lot more rainfall that we're expecting, less than 1/10 of an inch across our eastern counties. But that doesn't matter, because we are still 6th wettest year on record. That's where 2018 stands, at over 69 inches of rain since January 1st. 55 degrees for this afternoon, about a 40% chance of rain. That wind, that'll be the big deal for this afternoon at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting close to 30 miles per hour. And then we eventually do dry out. Your Christmas Eve forecast, 54 for the high on Christmas Eve. It does look like the rain moves in, though, as we head overnight and into Christmas morning. We eventually, though, will see that sunshine for Friday, the first day of winter. 57 the high on Saturday, 54 on Sunday. Better chances for rain. Hold off until Wednesday.